Now let's turn our attention to some other news. The draft legislation to facilitate the establishment of the Sovereign Wealth Fund will be placed before the National Assembly by year end. This disclosure was made by Minister of Finance Winston Jordan.
We have committed in the budget that this legislation will be put to Parliament before the end of the year. We have committed to that. Okay, this is June. And based on our timetable, we're still within the timetable. We have committed to that.
Finance Minister Winston Jordan explained since 2016, the Commonwealth has helped to draft the sovereign wealth legislation. After consultations with various experts, a draft has been prepared.
And the Commonwealth expert has provided one. He has given an audience to the Cabinet about it. Cabinet has mandated me to submit to the Attorney General's chambers. I have submitted to the Attorney General about 4 weeks ago. I've handed it over to the Attorney General to put it into legal language. And when he is finished with that, it will formally come to the Cabinet for discussion.
A sovereign wealth fund, or SWF, is a state-owned investment fund or entity that is commonly established from balance of payments, surpluses, official foreign currency operations, the proceeds of privatizations, governmental transfer payments, fiscal surpluses, and or receipts resulting from resource extraction. With oil finds estimated to be at least 4 billion barrels and first oil expected in 2020, the government has undertaken the creation of a sovereign wealth fund to ensure benefits for future generations.